Welcome everybody at MTP Works, our monthly vlog. This month it's December month, and in December we have got a very nice giveaway. We've got these hats from MTPparts.com and we give them away with every order of 125 euros and more. In this vlog we are also going to talk about our seats. We've got a big variety of seats and I'm going to tell you what seats we've got, and I'm going to tell you how we fit them on our tractors in our workshop. We weld them and I'm going to show you with my colleague. Front weights. We've got a big variety of front weights. At the moment we've got them with 20% discount. I'm going to show you what our assortment front weights is, and I'm going to tell you how and why you should fit them onto a mini tractor. We also made a very nice tool to attach the front weights onto a tractor, and I'm going to show you this tool and I'm going to tell you about how it fits to a tractor. December month, and in December we give away this MTP-parts hat. It's also in a web shop and you get it free with every order of 125 euros and more. And Koen, how does this hat fit?
Yeah, very nice. It's very warm.
It's a very nice hat and you get it with every order of 125 euros and more. At MTP-parts we got a big variety of seats. You can see them over here. I'm going to show you. These are 3 seats we've got in our showroom. We've got a test facility. You can sit and you can check if the seats work. Of course, in a foreign country it's not very easy to come to Holland, but you're welcome to come over here. Let me show you our seats. We've got seats that fit all the models of tractors. The Iseki attachment, and over here we've got the Kubota attachment. Please check if this will fit. For example, this one will fit a Kubota B7001, but it won't fit the newer models, the Kubota KT, etc, etc. So please check before you order the seat. Let me show you the seat we sell a lot. That's this one. That's the very first one. We sell it at 69 euros, and in the moment we've got the seats in offer with 20% discount. And in this video I will also show you how we adapt a seat in our workshop with my colleague. Over here we are in a workshop, and John is just mounting a chair. This is original Kubota chair, and you can see they rust out a lot. And we use the original brackets over here, and we weld them onto a new chair. Over here, this is the old one. We just grinded it out, and over here we put it on. We weld it on with a machine. But make sure you use coolant, air, to cool the welding, and make sure there's water. If you need, you can flush it out. At MTP-parts we got a big variety of front weights, from 10 up to 20 kilograms. People ask me, why do you use a front weight? A front weight is to balance out the tractor. If you got a heavy load in the behind, you put on these weights on the front, then you keep stable and keep it safe. They also ask me, how many kilograms do I need to use? Well, for a small tractor up to 20 horsepower, I would say approximately up to 80 kilograms. And from the bigger tractors up to 40 horsepower, I would use approximately 120 kilograms. In the next part, in our workshop, I'm going to show you how to fit our new front weight holder, and I'm going to show you how it's mounted and what you can mount on it. We're back at the workshop, and John has just welded on the brackets onto the chair, and in this way you can see a very clean weld. We weld every chair. At MTP-parts we made a new front weight bracket. It's over here. It's made of iron, and we put in MTP-parts, our logo. I'm very proud of it. Over here you can put in the 20 kilogram weights, and they are attached with this part. And over here you see many holes, and they fit many tractors. For example, this Iseki CL19, but it would also fit a Kubota GL19, Kubota GB models, and some Shibara models, Shibara P17F, etc, etc. But you can check out these measurements on our website. As you can see here, the front weights are mounted on this Iseki CL19. You can mount one 20 kilogram weight up to 6 20 kilogram weights, and they are stuck with this part, so they cannot fall off. Thanks for watching to this video. I hope to see you again in the next year. Please like and subscribe. If you got any questions or remarks on this vlog, please let me know in the comments. And I hope you enjoy your hat.